Welcome back to LearnFX. If you're ready to unlock the secret of trading at the most profitable times, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive deep into the best times to trade Forex, so you can maximize your profits and minimize wasted effort. This video is packed with tips, examples, and insider insights, so stick around till the end for a bonus strategy that'll take your trading to the next level. Forex trading runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, thanks to global markets. But just because the market is open doesn't mean it's always a good time to trade. Liquidity and volatility change depending on the time of day and the trading session. Trading during the right hours can make a massive difference in your success. Let's break it down. The Forex market is divided into 4 main trading sessions. Sydney session, the quietest, where the market opens. Tokyo session, picking up the pace, focusing on Asian currencies. London session, high activity and major volatility. New York session, a dynamic overlap with the London session, creating peak trading opportunities. Let's discuss each session in detail. First up is the Sydney session. This session runs from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. GMT. It's the opening session of the Forex market and is relatively calm compared to other sessions. It's great for traders focusing on odd and NZD pairs, since the Australian and New Zealand markets dominate this session. Tip: if you're a beginner, this session's lower volatility makes it an excellent time to practice your strategies without facing wild price swings. Next, we have the Tokyo session, which overlaps slightly with the Sydney session. Running from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. GMT, it focuses heavily on JPY pairs. Expect moderate volatility, especially in pairs like USD JPY, EUR JPY, and GBP JPY. During this session, you'll often see trends form that carry over into the more volatile London session. It's an excellent time for traders who like catching early trends. Now we're entering the heavyweight, the London session. This session runs from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. GMT and is the most active of all. Why? Because London is the financial hub of the world. Nearly 35% of daily Forex trading volume happens here. Pairs like EUR/USD, GBP/USCHF experience significant price movement. This session is where big players, hedge funds, banks, and institutions make their moves. Insider tip: watch for breakouts during the first few hours of the London session. The market often consolidates before this session opens, and you can capitalize on the momentum. Finally, the New York session runs from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. GMT. It's the second most active session and overlaps with the London session for a few hours. This overlap from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. GMT is a goldmine for traders. During this time, you'll find the highest liquidity and volatility, especially in USD pairs like USD CAD, USD JPY, and EUR/USD. If you're looking for fast-paced action, this is your window. Here's a live example. Look at this EUR/USD chart during the London-New York overlap. Notice the sharp movements and clear opportunities for both long and short trades. This is why this time is often called the power hour of Forex trading. Let's break down session overlaps. Sydney-Tokyo overlap offers moderate opportunities, particularly for EJPY and NZD-JPY pairs. London-Tokyo overlap occurs briefly but is excellent for JPY pairs with decent volatility. London-New York overlap, the busiest and most profitable window, ideal for all major pairs. Now that you know the best times, let's talk about optimizing your trading schedule. Here are 3 tips. Focus on pairs most active during your chosen session. Use an economic calendar to avoid trading during major news if you're risk-averse. Backtest your strategy to see how it performs during specific sessions. As promised, here's your bonus strategy. Trade the news during overlaps. Economic news releases, such as non-farm payrolls or interest rate decisions, often align with the New York session. By trading during overlaps, you get the double advantage of news-driven volatility and high liquidity. To recap, timing your trades around the busiest sessions, especially during overlaps, can drastically improve your results. Which session do you trade the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching LearnFX, and remember, timing is everything in Forex. See you in the next video.